The Ajaz AK33 is a standout option, boasting features that gamers highly prioritize and appreciate. It also features a 32-bit processor that has no lag. It responds in real time when you press the key, which is super important while gaming. Consider the innovative Alloyseed, a one-hand mechanical keyboard, expertly crafted for competitive gameplay. Alloyseed. The Alloyseed keyboard is the size of your palm and is built exclusively for gaming, like PUBG on your mobile or tablet. With its sturdy build and affordable price, the Me2 87 key is also a great option. It uses industry's leading injection molding technology to ensure keycap characters will never fade or wear out.